Assalamu alaikum grade 3. How are you? Hope so fine everyone. This is the summary video for today's lesson. So let's start. Subject math, class 3, unit 1, lesson 6.3. Multiple patterns. From your learner book, page number 20 and 21. And your homework for today, page number 22 and 23. Similar like page number 20 and 21. So you need to check your book, okay? Learner book, page number 22, 23 as your homework for today. So let's start. Learning objective. Today you learn in the class different question of multiplication and solve different problems from the book. So let's start. Question number one. I just write the question here. You can see on from your book. Okay, there is a pattern. You can see a square here. Table of 2, 3, 4, 5 like this from 2 to 10. You are making write the tables and which one similar have similar answer if like this 2 multiply 2 4 and 4 multiply 1 also 4, so similar answer make color. Okay, so after at the end you will find many colors like 2 colors, 3 colors, four colors. So let's check which of these number have two colors, which number have two colors, and why. No need write why, just which show you two colors, just write down. Okay, let's start. Two colors. If you write the table you can find 2 multiply 2 equal 4 and 1 multiply 4 also equal 4. Okay, so this one answer same, so we just write like this two table, this boxes have same color. 2 multiply 2 and 1 multiply 4, and no any other table have like this answer, so just two colors. Okay, if someone have also answer 4, so we need to write here, then should mention in three colors answer. Like this 2 multiply 3 6, 3 multiply 2 also equals 6, 4 multiply 2 8, 2 multiply 4 and 4 multiply 2 also both answer same. Okay, if you check answer same. 5 multiply 2 10, 2 multiply 5 also 10, 3 multiply 5 15, 5 multiply 3 15, 8 multiply 2 16, 4 multiply 4 also 16, and like this 6 multiply 3 18, and 9 multiply 2 also 18. Okay, so this one we mention in two colors. Okay, we write these answer in two colors, also many other, but I write just some. Okay, if you find more you can write down. Okay, on your notebook, because in the book you don't have enough space, so you write your answer on your notebook. Question B. Which number have three colors? Okay, in the last question A you can see two colors, now three colors. Similar thing, you need your tables. First of all, from 2 to 10 you write the table and then color, then colored. Okay, then color it. Which one have same answer, which one have same answer, then you find which one have same answer, you can make colors. Okay, if you have answer only two number have same answer, like table of 2, 2 twos are 4 and 4 ones are 4, there is no any other table showing us 4 answer, so just two color, that one we mention in question number A. Like this three color, which number have three color in the tables, you should have tables in front of you. So let's start. Three colors, any pair of 6 multiply 2 12, 3 multiply 4 12, and 4 multiply 3 12. Okay, from table 2 to 10. 6 multiply 2 12, 3 multiply 4 also 12, and 4 multiply 3 12. So okay, you find for three colors. Okay, find the answer for three colors. Same answer. Any pair of 10 multiply 2 20, 4 multiply 5 20, and 5 multiply 4 also 20. So we have three color option here. And 12 multiply 2 equal 24, or 2 multiply 12 equal 24. 6 multiply 4, 6 4s are also 24. 8 multiply 3 24, So these three, okay, one, two, three, they have similar answer. Okay, so we mention in three colors option. And like this, 2 multiply 15 or 15 multiply 2, 10 multiply 3 and 6 multiply 5 also have similar answers. Similar answers. Like this, this one is little bit difficult. Four colors. Four color not easy to easy to find. So I write just one for you. Enough. It's enough. 60. 30 multiply 2. 30 multiply 2, 60. 12 multiply 5, also 60. 15 multiply 4, 60. And 20 multiply 3, 60. So you find four similar answer. Okay. If you multiply all these numbers, you can get same answer. Okay, boys. It's not question number 4 is difficult. If you want to skip, you can skip it. But question 1 too important. Okay, because you are using smaller tables. Okay, starting from here, the question which is important. There are two chocolate bar in each pack. There are two chocolate bar in each pack. If you buy any chocolate in one packet, you can get two bars like this. So how many chocolate bars in four packets? Easy. If I have four packets, it means four multiply two. Like this, six packet, six multiply two. Nine packet, nine multiply two. 11 packet, 11 multiply two. We need to multiply with two because in one pack we have two bars. Okay, so let's check. 4 multiply 2 equal to what? 8 bars. Like this, 6 multiply 2 equal 12. 9 multiply 2, 18. And 11 multiply 2, 22 bars. How many, next question, how many packs do I need to give 12 children a chocolate bar each? How many packs do I need to give 12 children? Easy. Just multiply 12 divided by with, sorry, 12 divided by 2. Because how many packs do I need to give 12 children? I have I have 12 children, and how many packs I need? How many packs I need? So divided by 2. So 6 pack. In one pack, you know that there in one pack we have 2 bar of chocolate. So how many pack we need? So 6 pack. If I open one pack, there is a 2 bar. So I give okay, one pack for two students. So like this, 12 student. So 12 divided by 2. So we can get our answer 6. Question number 2. The cake shop put 4 cakes in each box. How many cakes in two box? In one box, how many cake? Sorry, the cake shop put 4 cakes in each box. In one box, how many cakes? Four. In two box, how many cakes? 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. Like this, 5 box, simple. 5 multiplied by 4. Because in one box, we have 4 cakes. So 5 multiplied 4, 20. 7 multiplied 4, 28. 8 multiplied 4, 32 cakes. Okay, because in one box we have 4 cakes. So each time we need to multiply with 4. Next question. How many boxes of cakes do I need to give 24 people a cake each? How many boxes of cake do I need? Same question, part B. Okay, how many boxes of cake do I need to give 24 people? Need to divide a cake each. You know, in one box, how many cake? 4. So just 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. Like question number 1, we divide with 2. In this question, divided with 4. So 4 divided by 24 divided by 4, or 4 multiply what? 24 coming. 4 multiply 6. So if you want to divide, you can divide it. 24 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. So we write here 6. If you know the table, you can easily find the answer and you can easily divide it. So 4 and multiply 6, 24, and 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. It means 6 boxes of cake we require to give 24 people. Some birds are standing on the top of the fence. If there are 8 birds, if there are 8 birds, how many legs are there? Each bird have 2 legs. So if there are 8 birds, simple, 8 multiplied by 2, 16 legs. Okay, if there are 8 birds, 8 multiplied by 2, how many legs? What if there were 18 legs? Opposite, you need to divide 18 legs. How many birds are there? 18 divided by 2, simple. 18 divided by 2, 9. So 9 birds are there. A field has horses. Question number 4. A field has horses and ducks in it. Okay, there are 20 legs in the field. How many horses, how many ducks, and how many different possible answer can you find? So let's make a table. Horses, if there is one horse, then 8 duck, because in the field there are only 20 legs. So 8 duck, 8 multiplied by 2, 16, and one horse has 4 legs, and 16 plus 4, 20. If two horses, it's mean 8 legs, and the duck 6, 6 multiplied 2, 12. So 8 plus 12, 20. Like this, 3 3 horses, it means 12 legs. 12 multiply 8, 20. And 4 horses, it means 16 legs, therefore horses. And 2 ducks, it means 2 multiply 2. Ducks have 2 and the horses have 4. So 2 multiply 2, 4. And 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 4, 20. Okay, everyone, take care. Try to finish your homework, revise classwork. Okay, first of all, watch this video again. If you not understand, watch it again and again. Okay, after this, if you have any problem, then you can communicate with me, send me message, and revise your classwork. Learner book page number 22 and 23. Finish first of all your classwork, then complete your homework. Okay, everyone, take care. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.